With Microsoft 365, sharing your files is simple. Whether you're using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, or OneDrive, the experience is the same when you want to share a file. Did you know you can share a file directly from OneDrive? Here's how. Hover over a file and select the Share icon. Or select the file and click the Share button up at the top. If your file is not yet shared, you'll see a lock icon in the bottom left corner. To share through email, enter the name or email address of the people you want to share with. Choose what kind of access you want to give them: can view, can review, or can edit. Type in a message if you want. Then select Send. The people you added will receive an automated email from you with a link to your file. When you're sharing, you can select Edit or Review, and you can see who currently has access to the file inside of the sharing settings. Select Apply to save the updated permissions. The updated link appears at the bottom of the window. To copy a link to the file, select Copy Link and paste the link in an email, a Teams chat, or a document. To share through email with someone outside of your company, enter the external email address of the people you want to share with. If the default link type doesn't yet work for people outside your organization, click Continue. Once confirmed, the link will work for them while respecting your organization's sharing policies. Select Send. The people you added will receive an automated email from you with a link to your file. To review and manage the people who have access to your file, select the profile images or initials of the people it's shared with. This will open the Manage Access pane, where you can adjust permissions.